So Hela, thank you so much for the meeting and for the availability. I really appreciate that. So I think we are almost done. This might be the final, go through with the double check of what we have done so far. So yeah, I think let me go ahead, maybe share my screen.
Yeah,
And all right, so let me know when you are able to see the screen.
I can see your screen.
Wonderful. So,
Wonderful.
yeah, actually, I have most of the updates over here, but
Mhm.
you have some comments, and maybe we will go ahead and copy this and paste it over here. So we don't do like double working here.
Yeah.
Okay. So your first comment, I think these are we are almost
Well, I
good.
could just go over them.
Okay.
You know,
All right.
let's
So
let me
based on the
see.
comments, we added the logo here.
Here,
And
one we can delete. Okay. Anyway, yeah, the logo you added, it looks great. I love it. The progress bar is good. Um, you fixed the gray border, so again, you handled all the comments. What's this? Yeah, fixing them. I mean, I think all the changes you did are really good from the beginning comments. We can like just move on. This
perfect.
is like my
Yeah.
favorite thing. I love it.
Exactly. And even I updated, like some tweaks were here. I
Yeah.
updated the, like the border, and I add, like convert the input field to white so it looks more appealing.
Yeah. So good. What is your well, just like if you can capitalize the C here
Okay.
in the choose your cultural background.
All right.
Um, this one's the black border because it's like selected kind of.
Okay. Let me
I don't know,
change
because you have it no border and then border, but the border is like once you pick something.
Yeah.
So maybe do an example,
All right.
like with the drop down to show a religion. I don't know. Okay, perfect. Where do you live? Yeah, I think the sign up process is great for the parents' profile. Um, let's see, let's go down to the sitter onboarding. Okay, so the only thing I have comments with here is I don't like that the plus minus is like under and it's like big. So I was thinking maybe if we put, like, I can't edit, but maybe put like plus minus like on the side of it or something, maybe like vertically, just because I feel like it's like too big a button. Like it makes me feel like,
All right. So here is, like since we have also this variation, right?
yeah,
And
that variation I don't really like. I like the plus minus with the number.
okay. So for this one, we should maybe like we can put the number in the middle and plus and minus left to right, or what's your opinion here?
Yeah, so I think that could be an option, or put like the two and then plus minus to the right of it, up, down. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I think this will. I think it's good. Let me just go back, and by this you mean something like this.
Yeah, and then like make it smaller and then center the two.
Yeah.
Also like
So
thin.
send it two, and it should be like this maybe.
No, I like it centered.
Okay, so it should be centered.
But then also, can you make the buttons still smaller? It's like too much.
Okay. So right now it's 64. So let me just make it to 42 here. and 42 this one as well. I can change it from here. Okay, how about now?
Um, can you make it more narrow? Like if it's really just like a circle and not a rectangle for this one?
They're still more narrow, so it should be like maybe 30. Do you mean like this?
No, like this way.
Okay,
The
okay,
width.
sorry. Okay, you mean the width.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
More. Yeah, maybe. Let's see.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, I feel like that looks better. What do you think?
Yeah, it's fine. The
Maybe
one
put the minus on the other side of the two.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I think that will work. So
Yeah, I like it like that.
exactly.
But
So
the
it
same
should be
size.
yeah,
Yeah, the small size.
65. Yep.
Yeah, I think that looks the best.
This looks perfect now. This looks
Yeah, I think this is good. Okay. So we'll do it. We'll delete this page. For this, if we could,
So maybe we can do similar. This one we can do something like this.
yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna say if you can just like
All right. So how many?
put it in the middle.
All right.
But the question to the one and to the right is wrong. It should be
Yeah,
like
exactly.
age groups are you
Exactly.
you prefer to work with, something like that. I'll write it down, the question.
So here we will have the question, which group? For friends. Toddlers.
Kids 5 through 8, preteens and teens.
5 to 8 and pre-teens, and then lastly we have
Teen.
teen.
Perfect.
All right, and get rid of this. So I think this variation is fine, and we can select multiple.
Yeah.
And then, so let me
And
just
perfect.
delete this one, and the same we will do it for this one as well, right?
Yeah, for the what age group do you have experience with? Yeah.
Okay, so it should be less than 1 year, 2 year,
Oh no, how many years of experience? Yeah. Perfect.
okay, 3 to 5 years, 6 to 7, 6 to 9, and more than 10.
Yeah, how many years of experience do you have?
I think this experience is now much better.
Yeah, perfect.
And for this one, maximum number of kids at one time. So I think we will do the same. This one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And paste it here. So let's get rid of this. All right, then we have education. All right, so something doesn't feel okay. So what was this comment? It is about this one, right?
Oh, I think it was for the numbers. I think that
Okay.
comment isn't relevant to that slide anymore.
All
Yeah.
right, I got it.
It was for the number. Okay. What is certification? Just add an S at the end of certification
Okay,
because it has to be plural.
perfect. Then we have religion.
Yeah, that was also the comment for the other thing because the pages went to the left. So the comment.
Okay.
No, the no S, no S.
Not sure. Okay.
Yeah, it was for the other slide. Just put a, just put the question, what is your religion? And then in the box, just have religion.
What is your religion?
The question mark at the end.
Okay.
And then in the drop down, just put in religion with a capital R. Okay, perfect.
Cool.
Go to your culture background, just capitalize the Y. Or just delete the your, just put cultural background.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, language is perfect. Perfect. Yeah, delete. Okay, I guess we move. Yeah, perfect. It's just maybe. Okay.
Thank you.
Love it. And then you had the prompts. Perfect. Yeah, this is perfect, Adam. Maybe in this slide, there needs to be more space because the length is on top of the text box.
Yeah, I already fixed this over here. I think we should go through over here on the top for this one. So for the sitter onboarding, we just did changes in the sitter onboarding, right? So I'll go ahead and add it to the top here. Okay. And let's delete this one and put this over here. So yeah, I think there was some issue in the padding and margin, so let me fix this. It should be 0 here. Okay, should be 0 here. All right, so yeah, let's go through with this with the prompts.
Okay, okay, parent prompts. Yeah, like you've used all the questions, selections.
So you understand the logic of this edit icon, right?
Yeah,
Exactly. Yeah, perfect.
I think I think just for this slide, the one that says we're looking for someone who feels like, if you can lower the text box a little bit,
Which one?
where my mouse is.
Let me follow you. So if you could go ahead, could you please follow me? Follow me.
Yeah.
Like follow me here.
Okay, I see you. I see you.
Yeah. So yeah, let
Okay,
me.
yeah. So you fixed it, perfect. Yada, 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 perfect. Yeah, I think this is good for the prompts.
Perfect. And
And
now
then
for
for
the sitter one.
prompt, yeah, the only comment I had was maybe have like, do you think it looks good like together like this, or it should be separated with like 2 X's? or
Okay, so
something?
the reason I did it like like those two could be selected in the same like in one.
Category, yeah.
Yeah. So that's the reason I did it like that, but we can do it separately, the way just like we did in the parent one.
No, I like this. It's literally just like this box, like, because if you feel like you need to edit it, and maybe it looks like you delete both of them at the same instead of just one. I don't know.
So maybe I think we should go ahead and duplicate this. What do you think?
Show me what.
So maybe for this one, I will go ahead and delete this one. And don't need the stroke here, and I will just fill the container. Okay, fill container. Okay, it should be in auto layout, but yeah. Alright, and now let me just delete the stroke from here. Okay. Yeah. So you want something like this, right?
Honestly, maybe, yeah, maybe just at the top, the title for this one, just be like final review of prompts. And then in that place, it'll be separated.
So should I go back?
No, no, no. What do you think looks better?
For me, I think since we are selecting two prompt per section, right? Just like for example, if
Yeah,
I'm over here and I select both of those and then continue and then adding the stuff over here, right? So
yeah.
definitely, like once I delete it, I will go ahead and select again the two prompt per. Like this is the logic.
Yeah, but what if you want to delete only one?
Then then we need to do it the same like we did in for the parent.
Okay. Because I don't want people to have to like redo two prompts. I want it to be able to edit one at a time.
Then we need to do it like this.
Okay.
All right. So it's 12 here, and let me see how much we have over here. Okay, perfect. So I will again duplicate this. Okay, delete the first one, delete the second one from here. No needed. Bother. Okay, and it should be over here. Hold on. And from this one, I'll go ahead and delete this. Okay, yep.
And then for this title, where my mouse is,
Mm-hmm.
just write like final review of prompt selection.
So the title should be final.
Yeah, just say on it, not final, just say review of prompt selections.
So on the top, instead of this text, we will.
Just write review of prompt selection because they already picked it, so
Okay.
you don't need to say we'll proceed with prompt
Review
selection.
of
Yeah.
prompt.
Review of
Prompt selection. Okay.
Yeah, and then in the small thing, just say, you can make changes to your, you can review or make changes to your previous answer, to your answers.
You can review or changes to your final answers. That's fine.
You can review or make changes to your final answers, yeah.
Or make changes to your final answers.
And then just delete the word finals. Just write to your answers.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. And then I guess the only thing you have to do is to create the profile generation sample.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think for this one, can we do it in the next page?
Yeah. So we could count this as phase one and then the
Exactly. So
profile
we will cover this
generation.
along with the home because I will do brainstorming and research again for that, and then I will, like since
Okay.
yeah
So the
we
profile generation, um, How long would you think it's gonna take you? Because I want to move to the homepage because like the profile review and like seeing your profile is really like the last part before you get to the home screen. Because
Okay.
once you fill out the prompts, then you select, then it would put you into this page where you see your prompts on your profile and you add pictures. And then after that's like completed, then you would go into the home page where it would say success, now continue with the app. So technically this, I like, we can, between me and you, have it as separate phases, but this is definitely part of like the sign up flow because it's important before we move on to the home page, you know?
Okay.
So if you want to work on this maybe until Thursday, that would be good because I really want to finish with the sign up flow completely. And then I'm working on the like homepage and everything. And I want to do the homepage by the week after.
All right. So actually, to be honest, I didn't did any brainstorming in research for that. So could you please explain me about a little bit about this profile? What are the things we have? Since I can see over here we have. So this could be some sort of news feed, or it it will be just profile. What?
No, so this would be, so if you recall the questions that we just answered, the prompts,
Okay.
and so all these questions are the same questions that you see to the left. So all these questions are the prompts that people answer. And then kind of like Instagram or whatever, like, I mean, not Instagram, but like, let's say LinkedIn, for example, it's like all the questions will automatically populate the boxes with the prompts and the answers, and then people add their profile. And then that way, like it can be like an engaging profile. So when people click on it, they could see all the answers to the prompts, you know?
And about these images,
So people would upload their images,
a little bit confusing. So
like sample profile.
so basically, like for example, like I put all my details over here. I completed. Let's do it for the parent, right? Where I select my
Yeah.
home routines, kid personality, then parent styling, and expectation,
Yeah.
and personality values, right? So once I fill that out, right, and I finish that, then I will see this screen where we have the
Right.
profile.
So, exactly. So it'll be her first name will be shown, and then like they upload a picture of themselves, like a profile
So
picture is the big one. And then in the small box, you'll have all the icons of like how many kids you have, if you're a mom or a dad, your age, languages you speak, um, what your religion is, like whatever is, and then that's like for people to have like the first feel of the profile when they see it, when they
okay.
swipe. And then the bottom text boxes are literally just the answers from the prompts and it just populates.
Okay, so till that much I totally understood. Where we have all the detail in the picture, this will be just like a placeholder to upload
Yeah,
the
you can put
picture.
like an AI something, it doesn't matter.
All right,
But
all
like
right.
the parent would put their own picture for their profile. And then as the prompts that you were answering before, if you zoom in, it's the same question and the sample answers.
Understood.
So
And
whatever you take from the flow, it just becomes into the page here.
understood. And about these images.
So they upload more images. Like the parents can upload up to 4 images just so you have an understanding of the
Oh,
family,
yes,
of the
yes,
body,
yes, yes. So
of the whatever.
they once they completed it, their profile will be completed as long as their children profile will be also completed. So
Yeah,
if I'm setter and I saw a request, then once I open like I get into the parent profile, I will see all the details. Simple.
exactly.
Okay, now I got it. Now I got it.
Okay,
Okay.
awesome.
Perfect, perfect. So since you need it on Thursday, I will try my best. I will try my best to this
Okay.
Thursday, right?
Yeah, this Thursday, like, listen, like, best case before Friday, like, yeah, I want it before the weekend just
Okay,
to have this
okay.
session.
So,
Yeah,
okay, forgive me. Actually, I thought like we will do that in the next page, so that's why I didn't did brainstorming and research. But I think the explanation, like as for like like I understood it right now once you explain it to
hmm,
me, you right?
yeah,
So
of
this
course.
is very good. This is very good. I got it. I understand it, and now if I do brainstorming in research part, I will definitely like do it perfectly.
Yeah. And
So.
then if you want to have like inspiration, if you look at like a hint, like the dating app Hinge, it has like good ideas for the profile generations because it's kind of like structured like that. So if you want to be inspired, they have like a profile structure like that. Like,
Perfect, perfect, Hella. Perfect.
we
Thank
can
you so
come
much.
here.
Thank you so much again. And I hope I will also try to cover that, and we'll try to document that as well. And then, like we will do another meeting to cover this thing off as well.
Okay, awesome, Mohammed. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Hella. Thank you so much. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.